Dear friends, in today's video we are just going to tell you some very important exercises to control IBF, irritable bowel syndrome, or you can also treat constipation, chronic constipation as well as indigestion. Please watch this video till the end. Exercise we are going to tell just quite a few exercises, very wonderful exercises, just to keep a close eye on this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel A Class Ali. In the first video, in the first exercise, you have to just sit on the Vajrasan, and you have to just put your fist towards the navel, and you have to just press the upper part of the body towards the floor. And in the other variation we are also going to, you have to just make the fist, and you have to keep your thumb inside the fist, inside the palm, and you have to just put your upper body downwards, and you have to touch your head from the floor. Repeat this exercise for at least 5 to 10 times in the beginning, and you can increase gradually whenever your practice is increased. This is very wonderful exercise to treat constipation as well as IBF, irritable bowel syndrome. This is very wonderful exercise. If you are continuously doing this exercise, so in future you will never come across the problem of irritable bowel syndrome or constipation or indigestion or as well as anorexia, loss of appetite. This all problem can be cured very easily if you are continuously doing this exercise regularly. In the other exercise, this asana is known as balasana. In this asana, you have to just touch your hands from the floor, and you have to bend the upper part of your body at least for 5 to 10 times in the beginning, and you can increase gradually. This is also wonderful exercise to treat indigestion, anorexia. You have to sit like this in Vajrasan, as I would like to show you, and you have to just press or bend your upper body towards the floor. You have to touch the floor from your forehead. In the other exercise, in the third exercise, I would like to tell you the Janusirasan. Janusirasan, in this you have to sit like this. You have to touch the knee from the other leg, and you have to raise one leg in the front straight, and you have to just bend your body, and you have to touch the nose from the elbow, from the knee, and repeat this exercise from the other side or from the other leg. You have to spread the one leg in the front area, and you have to touch the other leg from the knee part. This asana is known as Janusirasan. This is very effective exercise to increase your flexibility, and you can also strengthen your belly fat. And in the other exercise, this is known as the butterfly asana. This is very effective in menstrual disturbances, menstrual irregularities, or period pains. If you are continuously doing this exercise for at least 100 times continuously, you will never have the problem of UTI, urinary tract infection. This is known as butterfly, or in the other exercise you have to sit like this also known as, this asana is known as malasana. In this you have to just sit like this, as we normally sit in the toilet seat. You have to sit in this posture, and you have to just stretch your knees outside from your elbows. This also strengthen your pelvic floor area very effectively. You can also control, with the help of this exercise, menstrual cycle or period pains. Like dysmenorrhea will also be controlled if you are continuously doing this exercise. You hope you will like this video. Please share this video to your dear ones and subscribe my channel A Class Ali. Assalamu alaikum. We will see you again.